Hi viewers, how are you all? Today is Adipuram festival, or in other words, the Srivilliputhur goddess Andal's birth date. The goddess' birth star is Puram Nakshatram, and that is why this name Adipuram, or otherwise Andal Jayanti. So in our house, we celebrate this festival every year to get the blessings of the goddess. I have done a column in front of my house by using rice soaked in water for 15 minutes, grounded to a paste, and I have made this kolam. I have also decorated my puja room and kept the Amman in a small setting like this. I enjoy doing this festival every year in my house. For the prasadam, I did chakra sadam, which and share it with all my viewers. This chakra sadam is a very important prasadam for all the goddesses, whether it be for Shakti or Durgai or Lakshmi or Saraswati, any Amman. Doing a prasadam using jaggery is very auspicious. So in our house, we normally do this prasadam, give it as an offering to the god and get her blessings. Come, let's see how to prepare this chakra sadam in our houses. Everybody will love it. In the description column below this video, I have given the quantity of the ingredients to prepare a small quantity of chakra sadam. Say for 2 to 3 people. The ingredients we need are pongal raw rice, moong dal, cashew nut, raisins, grated coconut, jaggery, ghee, and cardamom. This cardamom has to be powdered. You can either powder it with sugar or powder it with take 1 teaspoon of grated coconut and powder it along with it. Only then it will get mixed with the rice very well. The steps are very easy to follow. You can just finish it in 20 minutes time. Come on, let's see how to prepare it. Add raw rice and moong dal together in a vessel. Wash the ingredients well and add water and allow it to soak for 10 minutes. See, both the rice and dal together have soaked well. Water and keep it aside. We can use it again. Now add the moong dal and rice in a pressure cooker or a rice cooker or an instant pot. You must add water in the ratio of 1:4. So calculate the amount of water you need and add it to the cooker. 1:4 ratio means if you are taking 1 cup of rice, then you must add 4 cups of water. See, the rice is well cooked. Now grate the jaggery like this. Add just 1/4 tumbler of water and dissolve it by keeping it on a stove in low heat. Heat the kadai and add 2 teaspoons of ghee and fry the raisins and cashews together. See, now all the jaggery has been dissolved completely. Now we have to strain to remove all the dirt particles from it. Take a strainer like this and start pouring the liquid jaggery in it slowly. Now we have segregated the dirt particles from the jaggery. Before adding the jaggery water, see that the rice and the dal are well cooked. If it is not well cooked, then it won't get smashed up properly. So before adding the jaggery, smash the rice and dal together well, then add the jaggery and again mix them right from the bottom. After mixing well, add the grated coconut and the grated coconut with cardamom powder and then the fried cashews and dry grapes. These should be fried in ghee only, not in oil. Add everything together and again mix everything from the bottom. After mixing everything well, now add the ghee. Don't add oil, it will spoil the taste. Add ghee. The more and more ghee you add, the more flavor you will get. But see to it that you add the portion which I have given in the recipe. That is enough. Oh my god, what a good flavor I get. In South India, in all the Shakti temples, this Adipuram is celebrated in a very grand manner. The goddess is being decorated with all the rich ornaments, sari, and the most important thing is the bangles. Today, people offer a lot of bangles to the goddess, and all of us go to the temple to get the bangles because it is very, very auspicious. I think you also enjoyed this festival along with me today, and I know very well that you are all getting ready to prepare this prasadam for the next Friday on the day of the Varalakshmi Puja. The dish looks yummy, yummy, yummy. I should not say this. You should say this yummy, yummy, yummy after preparing it. If you like my videos, don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share with all your friends and relatives.